आम आदमी पक्षाचो नेतो आनी राज्यसभेचो खासदार संजय सिंग हांका 6 म्हयन्या उपरांत जामीन मंजूर जाला. मनी लॉन्ड्रिंग प्रकरणांत ईडीन 2023च्या ऑक्टोबर म्हयन्यांत तांकां अटक केल्ली.
ईडीन संजय सिंह हांच्या जामिनाक विरोध करूंक ना. ताका लागून न्यायालयान सिंह हांचो जामीन मंजूर केलो. संजय सिंह हांच्या व्यतिरिक्त आपाचे 3 नेते तिहार बंदखणीत आसात. आदले मंत्री सत्येंद्र जैन, आदले उपमुख्यमंत्री मनीष सिसोदिया आणि मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल हेवूय तिहार बंदखणीत आसात.
Have no objection in case the appellant stay over there before that leave granted. Sanjay Singh is released on bail during pendency of the proceedings arising out of arising out of ECR stroke HIO -Roman 2 stroke 14 stroke 2022 issued in respect of offence under sections 3 and 4 of the Prevention of Money Laundering Act 2002. Full stop. Next page. In view of the statement made, we allow the present appeal and direct
2.1.
2.1. We allow the present appeal and direct that the appellant Sanjay Singh will be released on bail during the pendency of the aforesaid trial on terms and conditions to be fixed by the trial court. Full stop. Next paragraph. That's all. We need not mention it.
Not merits. I have not canvassed my lordship.
Okay.
Not decided merit, and this is not to be cited as a precedent anywhere.
Okay. We clarify that the concession given in the court today would not be treated as a precedent would not be treated as precedent. Full stop. Secondly, the appellant Sanjay Singh will be entitled to continue with his political activities, undertake and continue with his political activities. However, that's all. Why should we
discuss this?
No, let's not be, if we do that, it will be another incentive for him to talk about it. But you have been gracious enough to say that,
Last sentence, it is not required, but that you will continue.
okay, that sentence we'll cut it.
That last
Last, second part we'll cut it.